I'm back home and not only do I have one but two packages to unbox from Medicube, and I'm honestly so excited. So let's see what's inside of these. So the first little PR box, they said they want to send me just because, which I think is really sweet. Yay! I'm excited. I love Medicube. Like, I've literally become hooked onto them. I've been using them for the past month and a half. Okay, let's see. Wow, there are a bunch. Yay! Let's start off with this packaging because the rest is green. So this is their PDRN Pink Peptide Toner with Rose PDRN and 5 types peptide complex. Wow. One thing I love about Medicube is their packaging, and it's all made with like soy ink printed and everything. So love that they are eco-friendly and care about our planet. Ooh. And their slogan is dedicated to real results, which I can vouch for. So it's not scented, which I love, fragrance free. I'm so excited to use this. Then next up is this Medicube Exome Seeker Calming Pads. I have the zero pore pads, which I love, so I'm excited to introduce these into my routine as well. Ooh, this packaging leaves me flabbergasted. Yay! So I'll open this in like a separate little video. Moving on to the Exome Seeker Ampule with Exome Seeker Tea Tree and Centella Asiatica Leaf Water 80%. I hope I'm pronouncing that correctly. Oh yeah, my nails are in a state. I need to do them, but I just need to get these videos done because I'm so excited to use these products. Ooh, this seems so interesting. It's literally green. I absolutely love skincare that is unique. Let's smell this. Also, not really a scent. Love it. So I'm so excited to see what this does for my skin. And down to the last two products. This is the Exome Seeker Toner. Love it. Clean, gorgeous. And then last but not least is this Exome Seeker Cream. I'm excited. I haven't tried a cream from Medicube, so oh my word, this is going to be so exciting. It's got Exome Seeker Panthenol and Ceramide NP. Okay, well, it needs to be opened. So I'll be doing a review on all of these products separately, and I'm so excited to share my journey with you. Stay tuned for part 2 where I'll be unboxing this baby.